Dr. Science. Oh.
Hindi ka magpapaya na engineer.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm a nurse. That's right, I want to be a nurse. And Vince, what is your outfit?
Doctor.
Oh. Show. Oh. Damit mo. Explain.
Hindi ko alam.
So, can you explain your outfit?
Yung sa Roblox. 5 Robux.
Ay, batuhin niya si Yunis na lang. Wala siya
20 Robux.
Alright, can you explain your outfit? Explain your outfit.
Commander. Dali naman ako! Boss kayo Markboy.
Ang sakit ka! Saksak-sakto mo yan, no? Adik yung pulis. Ay! Guys, punta kami sa gym. Doon lang kami.
Gym.
Oh. So, explain your outfit.
This is my outfit for civil engineering. So I draw any house and any building like that. So that's why.
Okay, not bad. What is your outfit for today?
Cardo.
Boy, ano ba yan? Doctor playing ML. Sheesh! Let's go! Ay, bako! Gopal! So, ano nga guys?
Wait na wala kayong...
Recess ngayon. It's 9:18.
Bayaran ka rin mamaya.
So, we're gonna go for recess and eat. Thanks. So, ano guys, ito kami after career guidance. That's right. Let's go. Tapos, yes, sa wakas.
May update tayo?
Maku, what would you like to say? Oh my. Oh, sige. Sige. Oh, sige. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Like and sub.